Every successful business needs more than accurate accounting. It needs a plan for the future. That's where financial planning and analysis, or FP&A, comes in. FP&A helps organizations build budgets, prepare forecasts, analyze performance, and support better business decisions. A budget is the financial plan created before the year begins. It sets targets for revenue, expenses, and profitability. A forecast is updated throughout the year to reflect changing business conditions and expected results. Think of the budget as the original roadmap and the forecast as your GPS, helping you adjust when conditions change. One of FP&A's most important responsibilities is variance analysis. Finance teams compare actual performance against the budget to identify differences, understand their causes, and recommend corrective actions. The goal isn't just to explain what happened to improve future decisions. FP&A professionals monitor key performance indicators to measure business performance. These metrics help management identify trends, evaluate strategy, allocate resources, and make informed decisions based on reliable financial information. FP&A connects financial data with business strategy. It transforms numbers into insights and insights into action. Whether you're building budgets, preparing forecasts, or advising leadership, strong FP&A skills can significantly enhance your value as a finance professional. Next, we'll break these concepts down into practical one-minute lessons. Starting with the difference between budgeting and forecasting. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to AI Finance Hub, like the video, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful finance career.